Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. How is everybody doing today? I hope you're having a lovely day, and I would like to say welcome to all my subscriber friends. You all are my friends, and I really appreciate each and every time you have opportunity to come to my channel and see what's going on. And if you're new here today, I would ask that you would consider subscribing. Just hit that notification bell, hit that red subscribe button, and do a like while you're here and share my video. Today we have EYESCREAM Beauty. Oh yeah, this is a new subscription for me. I had found out about this. I was watching Mary Catherine, I believe, and she had mentioned that they were having a special. And I thought, well, that's an interesting, beauty box. I might want to take a look at it. And apparently there was a little bit of, I don't know, some discrimination going on having to do with the Hispanics and different population. I'm not sure of all the details, but she did not care for any kind of discrimination, and neither do I. And at that time, which was about 2 weeks ago, they were offering a coupon for 20% off your complete order, whatever it was, for 20%, and you used the word heritage because they were, I guess, coming back and talking about heritage. And I'm sure it's heritage of all ethnic groups, not just one. So I doubt seriously they were being discriminative, but some took it personally or something. I'm not sure of all the details, but I decided I would support EYESCREAM. And if I don't have that story all correct, I apologize. I just know that I did get the discount for 20%, and I subscribed for 6 months, and my total 6 months cost $110. This box normally runs $25 a month. She offers a 3-month and a 6 months and maybe even a 12-month. I'm not 100% sure on that. I only saw up to a 6 month, and I subscribed. So we're going to pop in here and find out what's in my first EYESCREAM Beauty to find out what I get for my first box. Now I think this is going to be September because I did order this at the end of September, and I think the September box was still going, but we won't know for sure until we open up. And it is September, and there's the little card, and she has these little peanut foozles. And guys, I'm not sure if this company is like the others, but if it is, I've heard that some of these you can get them wet and they dissolve. So I think that's very eco-friendly, don't you? Yeah, I really do. So we have our little product card. It's September, and it says Autumn at Dawn. That is our theme, Autumn at Dawn. The first item says it's a Beauty Crop Cocoa Rose Blush Palette. And that's right here. It's all wrapped in a little plastic, but I think I can get into this, maybe not. Okay guys, this is all sealed. Okay, I am not sure that I want to open it, so I'm probably not going to open this since it's sealed. I want to choose to keep it sealed, but I will show you that those are the colors right there. We have a Peach Beach, which sounds interesting, a Tiki Rose, and a Passion Fruit, and then Paradise up there with some speckles in there. Might be some bronzing and some highlighting all in one. So that is a really cute blush palette. So that's our first item. The next item is Appeal Cosmetics, and it's gel eyeliners for your eyes or lips. And let's see what we have here. The Beauty Crop Cocoa Rose Blush Palette retails for $15. And these are the Appeal Cosmetics, and they're also sealed. So I guess, do y'all know Lori Latimer? She sings the Safety Seal song. Safety Seal, Safety Seal, so happy for a safety seal. And I'm not even sure if that's the way you sing it. But anyways, this has a safety seal. That is a gel liner. It's in mousse, it looks as the color. And this one here is a gel liner, and it is deep taupe. So these look like liners they say you can use for eyes or the lips. And I guess if you had a little pink like that, you could put on top, like I have on pink today. I could line out on top of my dark with some of this pretty pink. So that's nice to know that it can be used for both. And this has a $42 value for these two. Wow. Okay, that's pretty good. The next item I have is called a My Skinny Mask, and this is a turmeric and vitamin C clay mask. And that is right here, and it has a $40 value. And remember, I got mine 6 months for $110, so that makes mine around $18.40. This is like a glossy box price for me, which is great. Glossy, I get more skincare, and here I'm going to get a little makeup. But here we got some skincare, and I like turmeric. Some people pronounce that turmeric, some people pronounce it turmeric. So I usually say turmeric for most practical purposes. And of course, vitamin C is vitamin C, and I love both. They are going to super hydrate and brighten the skin. It comes in this little jar here, which sounds great. I'll have to try this mask, and it also comes with this cute little applicator brush. Isn't that just so precious? I love that. Everything in yellow. It's a very good box. I'm happy that I got this. Very nice. Our next item is a Lactic Smudge Eraser Stick, and that must be right here. And I don't know that I've ever seen one of these. And good grief, we could all use an eraser stick, right? I mean, you get your eyeshadow on, or you get your eyeliner on, but you need to have a little boo-boo, and you need to kind of correct it a little bit. This is perfect for that. Let's see what it looks like. I've never seen one before. This is what it looks like out of the packet, and it says it is a crayon something. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but anyways, it is a corrector. It's a smudge eraser stick, and it looks like this on this end, so we can just erase off our little boo-boos. All right, I think I'm gonna like this. All right, this has a value of $17, so very nice. I'm very interested in this product. Have you ever used one before? Does it work well? Our next item is our palette, and every month you will get a palette. That is something that they guarantee, and this is the Beauty Crop Dawn Gazing palette, and it's so pretty. It's got the pink and iridescent colors. You've got your clouds and your stars streaming across there. So very nice, and it is a little sealed, but I am gonna try to open this up as long as I can get to it without really touching the palette, because I'm not sure where the home's gonna end up for this. They've got it safety sealed in a nice little packet there. Nice protection. Ooh, there's no mirror, but look at those colors. And it does have a safety on there. I was able to pull it back. So let's take a better look at these colors. Look at that. Aren't those beautiful? There's a shiny, what is it called? The Pandora, like you've opened the Pandora's box. So I would say these are neutrals with a little bit of pop of color there with that Pandora. And then you have the Ariel red. You've got some golden colors. So very, very lovely. But anyway, that is our palette. So as a recap, we got the Dawn Gazing palette, which is very pretty. Lots of nice colors. A little neutral palette with a pop of color. We got our Lactic Smudge Eraser. We got our 2 lip liners and our eyeliners, which I'm looking forward to trying those out. And then I'm looking forward to try this out. My Skinny Mask. Yeah, from Australia. That sounds very good too. And don't forget, we got our Cocoa Rose Blush Palette. All for 25 bucks. And when you add that all up, it's about $129 value. So that's pretty good for my $18.40 for this month. I say this is a go. Very affordable and some really nice makeup. Oh yeah. So that is what I have for September's EYESCREAM Beauty. And I may get another box here, relatively soon, since I got September's. I'm not sure of their shipping schedule. So I may get October's before a whole month is up. So if I do, I'll be sure and share it with you guys. But as for today, that's all I have for the EYESCREAM Beauty, and I hope you enjoyed it. New to my channel, let me know down in the comments what was your favorite item, what would you get the most use of from this box, and would you consider subscribing? I can tell you I did use Heritage. You could try that to see if it would work for you for 20%. It might. So you never know. I don't know how long they keep these codes out there. But in any event, I will have a website and link down below in my description, as well as be sure and check out all my giveaways that are going on. I've got some collaborations. I've got a new collaboration that's going to be coming out this Sunday. You're not going to want to miss it. Yeah, it's going to be really cool. The ad should be coming out today. You may already have seen it, and it is going to be the country chick look. And just wait till you see what I come up with. I hope to see you there. As for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.